Juicer operation tutorial. Insert the tool into the cutter shaft mouth, then pull it out to see if it is installed securely. Turn on the power switch. Hold the handle with your hand and push it down to check whether the machine is operating normally. Using an orange as an example, use a collar. Slowly turn the fruit stem at the center and insert it into the inside of the orange to take out the orange fruit stem and core. Then insert the orange firmly into the base of the cutter assembly. Hold the orange in one hand and press the handle with the other hand. After the machine has fully peeled off the pulp, slowly push back the handle. Take out the oranges and the orange juice is ready. Insert the straw and drink. Use the same method to squeeze dragon juice, watermelon juice, etc. It is recommended to squeeze watermelon juice for 3 to 5 minutes. So yummy!